Welcome to 9300 Overseas Highway, a fisherman's paradise.
Enjoy a glimpse of what makes the Florida Keys the ultimate fishing destination.
Hi, I'm Lisa, and I want to welcome you to the Florida Keys, a fisherman's paradise. Today we are here at 9300 Overseas Highway in Marathon, Florida, the heart of the Florida Keys. And we're standing at the bait shack on this 5-acre oceanfront property. Now this property is a fisherman's dream. You've got access to your private boat marina, private boat ramp, your bait shack full of all your fishing needs, and the ocean right there for instant access to deep water fishing adventures, bonefish, tarpon, anything your heart can desire in our beautiful Florida Keys.
Take a glimpse around this 5-acre oceanfront estate, which features a stunning home, a gorgeous wraparound pool, and instant access to the beautiful Florida Keys water.
Today, I would like to show you around the bait shack. Here in the Florida Keys, we have world-class fishing.
Fly directly into Marathon, enter your private estate, drive in, and be on your boat and out on your fishing adventure in less than 30 minutes. These turquoise Florida Keys waters are waiting for you. From the bait shack, you can grab a paddleboard or a kayak and shoot right out into the ocean for more exploration. Paddling over the flats in the Florida Keys gives you a bird's eye view of stingrays, sharks, crabs, fish, all kinds of beauty. Upon returning from all your fishing, boating, paddleboarding experiences, jump into the refreshing pool to cool off. Make sure to see our pool tour of this 195,000-gallon pool that wraps around the home, featuring waterfalls, water slides, and so much more. Enjoy cooling off at your swim-up bar as you unwind from a day out on the ocean. The sun is setting on your perfect fishing day. The lights on this property are beautiful in the evening, a perfect way to spend time relaxing and enjoying the Florida Keys and all the memories you've made out on the water.
Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video portraying the bait shack, the marina, the instant ocean access we have here at 9300 Overseas Highway. If you'd like to see more about beautiful Florida Keys real estate. Hit subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next video.
Thank you, Keys Yacht Management, for these awesome Florida Keys fishing videos and these amazing catches.
Oh, watch out. Hell yeah, Taylor. Woo! What's up, big dog? You're gonna have to get a picture of that.